Hi, it's Chantel here from the Plunge Pool Company. We're out here again at this beautiful acreage estate of Jimboomba Woods, just south of Brisbane, where just a couple of months ago we delivered the very first 3.5 metre round Plungie arena, the world's most sophisticated, architecturally designed, precast concrete plunge pool. I'm joined here today by the lovely homeowner Steph, who is the real hero of this story. She not only trusted in Plungie by ordering throughout our pre-sale campaign, but also by taking control of her own project as an owner builder, and what an amazing result. Steph, thank you so much for inviting us back out here to showcase this amazing result. I'd love to take you back to the start of your pool journey. Tell us a little bit about why you wanted to include a pool as part of your home.
We love living on acreage, but in summer it gets really hot here, so we've always wanted a pool, but we've never really thought we could get it at the price that we wanted to. When we seen Plungie, we just decided to go for it.
What was the most important consideration for you when searching for a pool for your home?
We wanted something cost effective and easy to maintain. I know we live on acreage, but we didn't want a huge pool because it costs a lot of money and it's hard to clean. Yeah, this thing is really easy and it looks great in this little space next to our patio.
We absolutely love helping owner builders take back control of their project. How have you found working with Plungie as a solution for your home?
We found working with Plungie really easy. The plans, council, everything was just so simple. Customer service was great. Emails, phone calls were all answered very promptly. And yeah, it was just really easy. Everyone's so nice and really helpful.
People are always reaching out to us to ask us advice and inspiration on what they can do to complete their project. Can you tell us a little bit more about what you've done?
So we've decided to use exposed aggregate concrete, and we've taken it halfway up the pool just to give it a nice shape, and followed along the back with some tropical plants. We've got a granite coping tile around the edge just because it was still nice exposed concrete, but after getting the concrete and everything done around it, there was little patches, so we decided to cover that up, and it looks really good.
And finally, what do you love most about your new Plungie and the new lifestyle it has created for you?
We absolutely love our new plunge pool. I love walking out of the kitchen every day and just seeing it out here. It just adds a really nice touch to our home. Can't wait for summer. We'll be in it every day, I would say, and can't wait to have friends and family over for barbecues. And yeah, it's just really nice to have this outlook as well.
Stories like Steph's are a true testament as to why the Plungie solution is the easiest, fastest and most cost-effective solution in the world. So if you too are interested in partnering with Plungie today, give us a call and find out how you can include a pool at your home today.
And if you've been thinking about getting a pool and putting it off as long as we did, just go ahead and do it because these guys are great and it's really easy.